How to apply to UN jobs. I want to apply for a job at the United Nations, where to start and what to accept. We break down in this video the step and tips in applying for an UN jobs. 1. Learn more the UN, its vision, mission and the UN structure. Decide on which UN organization you would like to work and which cause to serve. Based on your vision and your professional goal, you have to decide which UN organization are you going to work and which cause to serve. The UN has multiple agencies and secretariat and programs all over the world. Here, only your vision and your professional goal will determine where are you going work. 2. Do some research about the organization. Get to know the organization. What is its mission? How does it operate? What are the different projects it undertakes in the country? You will best know the organization by visiting its website. Sometime, most of the information can also be accessible at the UNIC, United Nations Information Center. We have ours in Ghana, CINU. 3. Go to the job portal of the UN organization. Before applying, you have to be familiar with the webpage of the organization. Go to vacancies and look closely to the list of job opening at the organization. Take note of the recruitment process and timeline of the organization. It may vary from one organization to another. 4. Go over the application process. Choose the job position you would like to apply. Go over the application process. It may vary. In all of the UN system organization, all job application has to be online and through the online platform. Create an account if needed. And log in to continue your application. Complete all the part that apply, information, education, work history, awards/publications/references, pledge. Prepare your CV and your cover letter. You may have the opportunity to attach it alongside with the application portal, or copy and paste it in a section of the application portal. Make sure to respect the word limit. When it says 200 words, it means that. Sometimes, you should attach required documents, that is advised to be prepared beforehand. You may want to save it for later or submit it, but you have choice. You have to be careful, because some of the platform already indicates at the beginning that you have to submit it once you log in, or you can save the draft and continue later. Note: keep note of your credentials when sign up for new account in the portal. You will need it to log in the future. And all of your applications submit to that specific organization will be kept for your record. 5. Submit. Once you fill out the section, you are now set to submit your application. Before you push the submit button, most of the application gives you the opportunity to review all of the section and you can make change if needed. If all is set, you submit your application. That means that you sent your application. After you successfully submitted it, you will receive confirmation of reception in the email you used in your application. Make sure to read that email. It will indicate you the next step and what to expect in the future communication. Some will say that if you do not hear from them in the 2 upcoming weeks, then that means you did not pass the screening phase. Some will say that they will be in touch in the upcoming months. 6. Next steps: written test and interview. Make sure to check out your email regularly after you submit your application. If you pass the screening test, you will then be required to pass the written test. You pass the written test, you will pass the interview. All the process are very competitive and you will not be spared of any kind of examination before you got a job at the UN. 7. Prepare your onboarding. Congratulations! You receive that email saying that you have been selected for the position you applied for. Get ready for the next step. The HR department will get in directly with you. You will be required to provide more documentations, do some medical clearance and do some mandatory training. 8. Where to find job opportunities. Compiled UN jobs offers are published on daily basis on many trusted websites. But the most trusted and secure website is the UN organization's website. Most of the time, UN job vacancies are published on the daily newspapers. 9. Consistency is key. Remember that the UN is a very competitive organization. You will have to have a very outstanding profile to get job there. But it does not mean it is impossible to do. You will have to work hard, improve your skills, enrich your experience and try to apply. Applying gives you exposure to new experience in your job hunting journey. Apply, apply, apply. 10. Tips. Volunteering experiences are valuable when you apply for a job, and especially at the UN. Go with details, numbers, and achievements in your profiles, CV and cover letter. Achievements and details are more convincing than vague words. Try to be you in your application and during all the recruitment process. Do not overdo things, just be yourself. Ask questions, not about the timeline, about the jobs, and follow up. If you don't get the jobs, maybe you will get update when new vacancies are open. Again, consistency is key. Job hunting journey is not easy. And even during this time, it has become harder. But do not get discouraged. As for the UN, it is a prestigious organization where you can really make difference. However, you will have to build on your skills, expertise and ability to get the job in that competitive workplace, and you will have to challenge yourself every day to reach that goal. Good luck. Stay safe and healthy.